Human ear. The human ear is a complex sensory organ responsible for hearing and maintaining balance. It consists of three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Here's an overview of the structure of the human ear. Outer ear. The human ear's outer layer primarily consists of two main components: the pinna, auricle, and the external auditory canal. Number 1. Pinna, auricle. The visible external part of the ear is called the pinna or auricle. It's made of cartilage and helps collect sound waves from the environment. Number 2. External auditory canal. This is a tube-like structure that carries sound waves from the pinna to the eardrum, tympanic membrane. The canal is lined with skin and small hairs that help trap debris. Middle ear. The middle ear consists of several important components that work together to transmit and amplify sound vibrations. Here are the main parts of the middle ear. Number 1. Tympanic membrane, eardrum. The eardrum is a thin, flexible membrane that vibrates in response to sound waves. It separates the outer ear from the middle ear and transmits sound vibrations to the bones of the middle ear. Number 2. Ossicles. There are three tiny bones in the middle ear that amplify and transmit the vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. Number 1. Malleus, hammer. Number 2. Incus, anvil. Number 3. Stapes, stirrup. Inner ear. The inner ear is a complex structure responsible for hearing and balance. It consists of several key parts that contribute to these functions. Here are the main parts of the inner ear. Number 1. Cochlea. The cochlea is a spiral-shaped, fluid-filled structure responsible for converting sound vibrations into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. It contains the organ of Corti, which has hair cells that are essential for hearing. Number 2. Vestibular system. This part of the inner ear is responsible for maintaining balance and spatial orientation. It includes the semicircular canals and the vestibule. The fluid-filled canals detect rotational movements, while the vestibule senses linear acceleration and head position. Number 3. Auditory nerve. The auditory nerve carries electrical signals generated by the cochlea's hair cells to the brain, where they are processed and interpreted as sound. Number 4. Eustachian tube. This tube connects the middle ear to the back of the throat, pharynx, and helps equalize air pressure between the middle ear and the atmosphere. It's important for maintaining proper hearing and preventing discomfort during changes in altitude. The process of hearing involves the transmission of sound waves through the outer ear, the vibration of the eardrum, the amplification and transmission of vibrations by the ossicles, the conversion of vibrations into electrical signals in the cochlea, and the interpretation of these signals by the brain. Additionally, the inner ear's vestibular system plays a crucial role in maintaining balance by detecting the orientation and movement of the head. This information is integrated with visual and proprioceptive cues to provide a comprehensive sense of spatial awareness and balance. The human ear is a remarkable organ that allows us to perceive and interpret the sounds of the world around us while also contributing to our overall sense of equilibrium.